Hello world, we are looking at a Java file that says hello world in the terminal down here. First, a class has to be established, hence the name up here. Next, we have to establish this line. This tells us to call main, which makes it so the command at line 6 will run as soon as the program runs. Line 6 says in the system output a printed line. In this case, as it's in quotes, it's automatically a string. Then we can run this program and shown here it says hello world. Alright, thank you.